Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to run Android and iOS apps on your computer. This will work with either Mac or Windows. There are two things that you're going to need. You're going to need a program called Bluestacks, which is technically an Android emulator, but it does have a lot of iOS apps as well, though it may not have every one of them. And you're going to need a Google account. So to get Bluestacks, all I have to do is just go to bluestacks.com, this website here, and click download Bluestacks, and it'll come in the self-extracting installer on a Windows. On a Mac, I believe it comes in a DMG file, though I could be wrong. So once the installer's finished downloading, you just want to run it, but I'm not going to install it again, but just run the installer and then that'll put Bluestacks on there. Once the installer is done, just run Bluestacks. And first thing it'll do is it'll prompt you to sign into your Google account, which I suggest that you do, because if you do that, you'll get access to a lot more of the features and apps. So this is what the home page of Bluestacks looks like. I'm just going to show it to you guys for a minute and navigate around. I can do a whole bunch of different things, basically anything that an Android phone can do from here. I can go to the Android location finder and search for locations through that Android location finder, kind of like you would do with Google Earth. And I can also go to the Android, Facebook, and Instagram apps through Bluestacks. But now to search for an app, all I have to do is just go to this search bar up here and search for the name of the app you want to install. I'm going to be installing iMessage, which is an iOS app, as an example. It might take a minute to search, but as you can see, I searched for iMessage and it came up with all this. And I'm going to click on SMS for Apple, which is iMessage basically, and install it just to show you guys how to install apps. Just do as I do here, just click install and then click OK on this screen. And it will now, once you've done that, it will now start the download and installation process of your app. And you will then be able to run that Android or iOS app on your computer through Bluestacks. I'll show you guys some of the other features real quick of Bluestacks. And so just sit back. You can also browse the internet through the Android web browser, and this is what that looks like. I'm going to search for Angry Birds now, which is about $5 app, to show you guys that there are indeed paid apps on the Android store. And what an app costs in the Android store will be the same as what it costs to get it through Bluestacks. So, just so you know that. As you can see, here's Angry Birds, and it costs $5. You can also search through the other Angry Birds related apps here. And now I'll show you how to run the apps that you've installed. All I have to do is just go to this list here and then click on it, and your app should be there. Just click on the icon and that'll launch it. The app might take a minute to load, but ultimately it's there. I can now send messages to iPhones and stuff from this app. So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 2190, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day. See you next video.